earn X amount of money in 30 days or whatever. Win a girlfriend, boyfriend in 30 days, do this, and then you get that in X amount of days. Some similar titles, or that what I said now, you find this in some videos, some podcasts, episodes, and I just felt now I just had a message, to make this specific video, because this is a message for everybody, really everybody, because this, what I said now in the beginning with these videos, where stand, for example, within the finances, earn this amount of money in 30 days. And I think this gives a bit of pressure, right? It just gives a bit of pressure. And when we look deeper within ourselves, we don't need to make ourselves so much pressure, and be then unhappy in the moment, because also most of the people always try with a certain action to achieve a specific goal, right? They really just push and oh damn, I have to make exactly that what he or she told me, right? Because that's the only way you can achieve something, right? Through pushing. And especially this is not the case, because eventually you burn out, right? Or you never achieve it, because you don't achieve it holistically, right? And we don't want to lose something in other life areas that we have already, also called, what I call personally, the life qualities, right? What I also go deeper within my coaching program. Down is the link below for a free call, by the way. And where we dive deeper into these different life qualities, because we can develop them. They are not only, oh, now I have much money and now I'm happy, because now I have the thing in the external and now I'm happy. But why should make this specific thing happy? Is it not the way we need to enjoy, right? And on the way gain all of this wisdom, right? And build a holistically better life for ourselves. And this means develop ourselves holistically with our mind, body and soul. And then finances, for example, is only one life pillar we focus on, because there are also much other life pillars. When we only focus on finances, what is with our physical health? What is with our mental health? What is with our emotional health, right? What is with our spirituality, right? Because we live in the spiritual world. Not only that physical world exists, and this is also again a bit deeper, what my followers know already, that I just go deeper always, right? Mind, body and soul. And what I want to say now, and the mental plane, right? The mental plane is it, what I want to dive deeper into it. But first, I have to check on the thing what is in the oven here. And the most people live in the physical plane, right? Because the most people think this world, or let me put it another way, it only exists that what you can see here, what you can touch, so what you can smell, what you can taste, right? But what is with all the feeling, right? With all our emotions. And this is really, really deep knowledge. And stay here with me, stay here with me. This is so fucking important. And this is the knowledge I give you, this education I give you, the elites don't want you to know, right? The most performer, the most successful people, holistically, they don't want you to know this knowledge. And it's really about to be, right? To be. And leave that in mind, this is really important, write this down. Be, do, and have, right? So, and then we have on the other side the physical plane and the mental plane, and then we have also the conscious plane, right? And the most people try to operate in the physical plane. They first do, but instead of, and this is wisdom, this is esoteric knowledge, really spiritual knowledge, what the elite don't want you to know. Because just simply 98% of the mass, 98% of humans live after that principle. You need to work hard, right? And because of that, these kind of videos, what I mentioned in the beginning, they have also so good click-through rate, right? Because most of the people think, yeah, I just have to work hard and then in 30 days I achieve this goal I want to have in the outside. Huh? Is it not more logical to first change it in your inside and then do the action, right? Like this video I produce now. I just had a calling from the divine. Alright, just push this message out. And right now, really, there's a bit of chaos in my life. But from chaos, you create order, right? And everything is good for a reason, by the way. And always go with the flow. It's the fucking same with the gym, right? So much people, and this is a mainstream example almost already. So the most of the people start in the beginning of the year their fitness journey, their gym journey, but the most of the people don't stay. Why is it like that? It's the same, it's the exact same way. You know, they start with doing, not with be. You need to be this person first. You need to change it in your inside. And for me, for example, it's not anymore, oh shit, I don't want to go to the gym. Why I need to go to the gym? No, now it's fuck. Oh, it's so hard for me to don't go in the gym, right? And this has then also again to do with the uncomfort zone, right? With the unknown, living in the unknown. Dr. Joe Dispenza speaks also about it. And this is fucking powerful. It's so powerful. And I probably don't add in this video now here. Maybe I add something, I edit it, that you see it better. But that you have it on paper and write this really down. Be, okay, have, be, do, and have. And like I explained to you in the beginning, not in the beginning, but just some minutes before, the mental plane is so important. We need to operate in the mental plane with our inside. And I believe personally also the conscious plane, right? Spiritual world, different dimensions, and this has also again to do with manifestation. And because of that, don't start here in the physical world just with you know, when hard work would make you rich, holistically rich, right? Then most of the people would be rich, right? Because most of the people work hard in the employee job, in the employee-man job, right? And because of that, why most people click on these kind of videos where they, you know, where they can gain just a self-development talk. And now I need to be careful what I say with that. So there are also good videos out there, but exactly these videos with, alright, I have now a certain expectation, right? And when I don't achieve these certain expectations from my small ego, then I'm really sad and I'm so mad, I'm so angry on myself. I need to push harder, I need to work harder to achieve this one fucking specific thing. And when something in my life goes wrong, when something in my life don't work out like I want it, like this ego here want it, then I'm fucking mad. You know what I want to say you with that. I think you get it. Let me also know in the comments what's your best realizations from today's video. If you have also similar experiences, when you have any questions, let me know. I want to provide you better and better value. I want to grow on myself. I want that we grow together, right? And this is when we build a powerful community where we push each other. And really, when you like that video, you know what comes now. Yeah, sure, follow me, like, share the video, etc, etc. So, as you know, here's much love as always. Peace out here at A Place for Open Minds.